It's a public relations disaster for the oil industry and the Alberta government. And New Brunswick braces for the worst flooding in decades. The St. John River is filling its banks. Hundreds have already been forced from their homes. Hundreds more are threatened. Those are the headlines. Now, Wild Docs.
The following program contains nudity, sexually explicit material, and coarse language. Viewer discretion is advised. Tonight on Wild Docs, a virtual 3D world with real-life results.
I'm doing exceedingly well.
Chasing money, adventure, and sex in Second Life.
You could buy your face, you could buy the hair, the skin.
You Only Live Twice explores the bizarre frontiers of this brave new online world.
Okay, this is an FHP. I have absolutely no idea what that stands for. I believe it is a cheap dollar store lock, but it's a very difficult pick. It has no security pins, but the bidding is freaking insane. It has 3 9 cuts in a row, and in between them there's like a 5 and a 4 and then a 3 at the end. It's just insane. 3 deep cuts right down to the shoulder portion of the bidding area. So this lock came to me all the way from Australia, and I gotta say thank you. You know who you are. Thanks very much for the shot at this lock. Really challenged me. So thanks very much for sending it, and peace. Don't break the law and have fun.